Looking to build a thriving digital community, a private gaming hub, or a sleek portfolio server on Discord but don't know where to start? Welcome back to Techavro. Today, we are building a fully customized professional Discord server from scratch in less than 5 minutes. Let's create your community castle. First, open your Discord desktop application, scroll down the far left server list strip panel and click on the large plus icon labeled Add a Server. A pop-up selection window will appear on screen. Here, you can pick a pre-made template or click Create My Own. Let's select for a club or community. Next, it's time to set up your server identity. Upload a high-resolution logo icon image, type in your community name and click Create. Boom! Your new server is officially live. Now let's structure your channels for maximum engagement. Right-click on the blank space under your server name and select Create Category. Let's name this category Welcome Hub. Inside this hub, click the plus icon next to the category title to add specific text channels like rules, announcements, and general chat. To wrap it up, let's add a dedicated voice room. Click Create Channel, change the channel type from text to voice, title it Lounge Room and click Create Channel. Your server now has a clean, organized layout structure ready to welcome thousands of members. If this server creation tutorial made your build process smooth and fun, smash that like button and subscribe to Techavro for more clean tech guides. See you in the next one.